It's Barkbox time. So if you want to see Bandit get a little crazy, he already knows what it is. The minute I pulled this out, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and this little guy here is Bandit, and he knows that this is his bark box. And the minute I pulled this box out, he woke up like he was just kind of like drearily laying around like he usually does. He's a very tired dog. And he just came right to life when he saw this. He was like, whoa, that's my bark box. I know that's for me. I swear they must send this box with something so that the dogs know, because he knows this is his box. This is a monthly pet treater box for dogs. They also have one for dogs that are super chewers. It's their super chewer box. In their regular box, you get 2 toys, 2 treats, and a specialty treat. And there's always a theme. So what is this month's theme? It is the Bark House movie night. It feels like those little, let's all go to the lobby. You know? Guys remember that? So what do we have? We have a Barkbuster treat toy. It squeaks, it crinkles, but that's not what he wants. He doesn't want that either. He wants the treat. Then we have some popcorn and a slushie. Oh, there we go. He's found what he wants. Which one do you want? Do you want the popcorn or the slushie? Which do you want? Pick it out. You want the popcorn. All right. It's a good choice. Now he wants the slushie. We have some pumpkin and honey recipe treats. Some Gobble soft bake turkey recipe cookies. These are about the size of a nickel. And some Gobble turkey squares, and we're not going to open these right now. We're not. We have so many treats open, they'll go bad. But you can have the toy. Inside there is a list of like all the different toys that were available this month and what sizes they were for. So they do have toys for extra small, small, medium, and large dogs. So depending upon what you tell them. Now I have 3 different dogs. I have a small, medium, and large dog. So I just go with the Bandit size toys, I guess. There's no difference. Like if you say my dogs are extra large and you'll get the extra large toys, it doesn't cost you any different. Then on the back, the activity this month is to write the star, Bandit scene. With him, it's always going to be, I need a nap. Director, that's me. And then you take a picture of that next to him, and he will be sleeping in this picture. I can guarantee you that, because that's what he does most of the time. It's like he's got this little tiny battery and he needs to really rest it up. And then it gets a little crazy and then it's got to go back to resting. A lot of that going crazy is barking at the TV. He is the barkiest dog I've ever seen. When it comes to the TV, he doesn't like faces on the TV. Like if a big, just a headshot comes in, he barks at that. Any kind of animal, he's going to bark at that. Running, games, there's no sports that can be watched without him running up to the TV and barking at it. At my house, it's not an issue because it's mounted high, but at my mom's house, it is on like a, not table, a TV stand, I guess. So we're always afraid he's going to, get on top of that stand from the couch and knocked the TV over, but he's my sweetie. He's protecting me from the bad things on TV, I guess. Yes, aren't you? Such a good boy. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with us. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell if you want to see more of this little guy. He's the real star of the show. Thank you so much, and hopefully I'll see you soon.